students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we will see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 4th. Now open your page number 94. In the previous video we have completed page number 93, main 3. Today we will see main 4, fill in the blanks. See first one, 1 liter is equal to blanks ml. And we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. ml means milliliter. So here you have to write down 1000 milliliter. Now see the second one. Blanks times 500 ml is equal to 1 liter. आपको 1 लीटर करना है और 500 ml दिया है तो कितनी टाइम 500 ml लोगे तो 1 लीटर्स होगा. ओके. So 500 if we take 2 times 500 plus 500 2 times. So 2 times 500 is equal to 1000 ml and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So your answer is 2 times 500 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now see third one. Blanks times 100 ml is equal to 2 liter. यहाँ पे 100 ml दिया है और आपको कितना करना है 2 लीटर्स करना है तो आप कितनी बार 100 ml लोगे तो 2 ml होगे. ओके. सो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 100 ml by 20, 100 multiply by 20, then we get 2000 ml. 100 multiply by 20. See, 100 ml multiply by 20. Then we get the 2000 ml and 2000 ml is equal to 2 liter. So 20 times. Your answer is 20 times. Okay, see the fourth one. Blanks times 250 ml is equal to 1 liter. आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है 1 liter करना है and 250 ml is there. So how many times you have to take 250 ml? You have to take 4 times 250 ml. See, 250 plus 250 500, 500 plus 250 750 plus 750 plus 250 1000 ml and 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So how many times we have taken? 4 times. So your answer is 4 times 250 ml is equal to 1 liter. See the fifth one. Blanks times 200 ml is equal to 2 liter. 2 liter means 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml और आपको 200 ml है तो आपको 200 ml कितनी बार लेना है कि 2000 मिलीलीटर्स हो तो you have to take 10 times 10 multiply by 200 2000 ml and 2000 ml is equal to 2 liter. So here you have to take 10 times 200 ml. Your answer is 10 times. Now see the sixth one. 3 upon 4 part of liter. See, 3 upon 4 part of liter. Liter means if we convert liter into ml, why here answers is asked in a ml. So first of all we have to convert this liter into ml. So liter is given. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now see what you have to do. 3 upon 4 part of. See, 3 upon 4 multiply by. In place of liter, you have to write down 1000 milliliter. Okay. See, now we have to do cross multiplication. 4, how much is a 1000? 4, 250 is a 1000. So 4 cut and 1000 cut and here you have to write down 250. Now what's remaining here? 3 multiply by 250. And 3 multiplied by 250 is 750. This 750 ml is your answer. Understood? Now similarly see the seventh one. 1 upon 4 part of liter. Now we have to see the rough work. 1 upon 4 part of liter. Here also liter. So you have to take 1000 ml. Here also acts in ml. So 1 upon 4 multiply by. In place of liter you have to write down 1000 ml. Now see 4 how much is a 1000? The 4 250 is a thousands. So here 1 multiply by 250 answer is a 250. So this 250 is your answer, 250 ml. Okay. Now see the eighth one. See, 3/4 part of 2 liter. 2 liter means 2000 ml. If we convert 2 liter into ml, then 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. Now see, 3/4 multiply by, instead of 2 liter you have to write down 2000 ml. Okay. Now this, here 4 is there, here 2000 is there. So of course, for multiply by 500, then we get the 2000. Okay, so 4 500s are 2000. Now what's remaining here? 3 multiply by 500 and 3 multiply by 500. 3 5s are 15 and this 0 0. So 3 multiply by 500, 1500. So your answer is 1500 ml. Now see the ninth one, 1/2 part of 3 liter. Here also we have to see the rough work. See, 1/2 part of 3 liter. 3 liter means, if we convert 3 liter into milliliter, then 3 liter is equal to 3000 milliliter. Okay. So 1/2 multiply by 3000. Now 2, how much is 3000? So 2 1500 3000. 1500 multiplied by 2, then we get the 3000. Okay, so here 1 multiplied by 1500, so 1500 is your answer. So in the answer you have to write down 1500 ml. Now see the 10th one, 1/4 part of 4 liter. See, 4 liter converted into milliliter, then 4 liter is equal to 4000 milliliter. So 1/4 multiplied by 4000. 4, how much are 4000? 4 thousands are 4000. So this 1000 is your answer, 1000 ml. 1/4 part of 4 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now we will see main 5. First of all, read the question. Find the correct capacity of the containers given below and put circled around it. See, here container is given. Here cylindrical container is given. In that, it's a given that two answers is given. Whichever correct, you have to put circle around it. Here 200 ml and here 2 liter. Obviously in this tin 2 liters would become. So on 2 liters you have to make circle around it. Now see the second one. This is square box is there. Okay. It's a tin. 30 ml or 300 ml. So 300 ml should be come. So you have to put circle on 300 ml. Now see, it's a cylindrical type of and in that, let's take the examples of injections. And injections ml should become, not a liter. Okay, so here 50 ml is given and here 5 liter is given. So 5 liter itne mein to nahi aayega. 50 milliliters would become. So circle around on 50 milliliter. Now see additions of capacity. Here you have to do the additions. See the first of all examples. Understand examples we will see first. Okay, see, add first one 39 liter plus 47 liter. The main thing is that how you have to write down this type of sums in a systematic manner. See how they have written, no, that you have to see very carefully. 39 liter and 47 liter. So this way you have to write down 39 liter. See, in between 2 digit space is there. Okay, आपको hodgepodge नहीं करना है, खिचड़ी नहीं करना है. Plus 47 liter. 47 liter. See, 9 के नीचे 7 है. Similarly 3 के नीचे 4 है. They have maintained ones, tens, place also. And liter के नीचे liter है. So it should be written in a systematic manner. This way you have to write down in your exams also. Now see, Liter is there, so here you have to write down the liter. Now see, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16, 6 here, carry 1, 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 4, 8. So your answer is 86 liters. So here you have to write down answer 86 liter. Now see the second one, 3 digits are there, 240 ml and 375 ml. See how they have written, 240 ml plus 375 ml. Digit below digit is there, ones, tens and 100. Now see, first of all see the ones place, here ml is there, so write down ml here. 0 plus 5, 5. 4 plus 7, 11. So 1 here, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So your answer is 615 ml. Now see the third one, 87 liter, 155 ml and 126 liter, 235 ml. See this type of sums are, it's not only liter, अकेला लीटर भी नहीं है और अकेला mls भी नहीं है, यहाँ पे both साथ है, liter milliliter and liters milliliter. So how you have to write down? First of all you have to make the column like this, liter, milliliter, draw one line in the middle. Now see here, first of all 87 liter, 155 ml. So 87 liter and 155 ml. In the place of ml you have to write down ml, and in the place of liters you have to write down liter. Plus 126, यहाँ पे आपको 126 लिखना है कि 100 की प्लेस पे ही 1 आए. ये 8 जो है वो टेंस की प्लेस पे, तो 8 के नीचे 1 नहीं आएगा. 100 की प्लेस पे तो आपको 100 की प्लेस पे ही 1 रखना है, और 2 इज ऑन टेंस प्लेस, सो 8 के नीचे 2 आएगा, और 6 इज ऑन वंस प्लेस, सो 7 के नीचे 6. ओके, नाउ सी प्लस 235 ml is also there, so 235 ml. The digit below digit you have to return. Now see, 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. Now 7 plus 6, 13. 3 here, carry 1. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 here, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now see, 213 जो है वो लीटर की कॉलम में है, एंड 390 जो है वो ml की कॉलम में. तो आपका आंसर आया है 213 लीटर 390 ml. This way you have to write down the answer. See, अगर आप यहाँ पे लिखते हो कि 213 ml and 390 liter, so your answer is wrong. Whatever comes on liters column, that you have to write down mentions in the liter only, and whatever come in the ml column you have to mention in the ml only. Now see the fourth one, 345 liter 550 ml and 187 liter 250 ml. First of all you have to make the column like this, liter, milliliter. Now see the first one, 345 liter, so in the liter column you have to write down 345 and 550 ml, so in ml column you have to write down 550 plus 187 liters, so 187 250 milliliter, so in milliliter column you have to write down 250 milliliter. Now see, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now see here, 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, 12. 2 here, carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3 here, carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 532, it's a liter, and 800 ml. So answer you have to write down 532 liter 800 milliliter. Now see on page number 95. Now see the fifth one, 5 liter 250 milliliter, 4 liter 200 milliliter and 2 liter 250 milliliter milk. Now see, 3 times are there, okay? So liter, milliliter. Now in the place of liter you have to write down the liter, and milliliter place you have to write down milliliter. Now see 5 liters. So 5 liter 250 milliliter. एंड वो क्या है, तो मिल्क. मिल्क आपको हर जगह पे लिखना है. प्लस 4 लीटर 200 मिलीलीटर. 200 मिलीलीटर मिल्क प्लस 2 लीटर 250 milliliter milk. Now you have to do the addition. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 plus 2, 7. Now see, 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. So 11 you have to write down on the liters column. Now this 11 liter 700 milliliter milk. So in the answer you have to write down 11 liter 700 milliliter milk. Now see the sixth one. 48 liter 250 ml. 65 liter 300 milliliter and 57 liter 150 milliliter kerosene. ये क्या है, केरोसिन है. So you have to make a column like this, liter, milliliter. Now see 48 liter 250 milliliter. So 48 वो लीटर्स की कॉलम में लिखना है एंड 250 वो आपको ml की कॉलम में. वो क्या है, तो केरोसिन. You have to mention here kerosene. Plus 65 liter 300 milliliter kerosene plus 57 liter 150 milliliter kerosene. Now you have to do the additions. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 here, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 1, 7. Now see liters column. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. And 13 plus 7, 20. 0 here, carry 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And 12 plus 5, 17. So your answer is 170 liter and 700 जो है वो milliliters के column में. So in the answer you have to write down 170 liters 700 milliliter kerosene. Now in the next video we will see the main 6. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.